I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to copy a file on Google Drive. Are you looking to duplicate files in your Google Drive for backup purposes to work on different versions of a project, or maybe to share a document without altering the original? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to copy a file on Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful for managing your digital files efficiently, allowing you to keep your originals intact while working on or sharing copies. Step 1. Navigate to the file on Google Drive that you want to copy. Step 2. Click the ellipses associated with that file to open a menu. Step 3. Click Make a Copy in that menu. A copy of that file will be created in that Google Drive folder. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.